In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can apply iOS Launcher. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 18 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, hit while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. Then close and add. Adjust all of those options however you want to, and to apply iOS Launcher, hit Set as Default at the top. Then click on iOS Launcher and wait. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by clicking on the Launcher app again, selecting Set as Default at the top and choosing your Samsung Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!